Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to solve a linear equation y plus 3 is equal to 10. To get more like this, you can visit mathstoon.com or you can also check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. Our given equation is y plus 3 is equal to 10. To solve this equation, we have to find the value of y. To do so, we will subtract 3 from both sides. Doing that, we get y plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. In the left hand side, look that there is plus 3 and minus 3, which is 0. So in the left hand side, we have y. And in the right hand side, we have 10 minus 3. As 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, so finally we get y is equal to 7. And this comes out as our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.